We have walked through desolate valleys and across trying hills. Some of our faces are burned from the outpourings of the sweltering sun. Our bodies are tired. How long will prejudice blind the visions of men?
There has to first be an acknowledgement of the past wrongs.
You know, somewhere, some folks wrote a document talking about life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. You can't pursue happiness if you don't have good health.
Part of my incentive to work was to keep my insurance. 2021, I was at my job, and I became real ill. When I went to the doctor, he told me that I had to stop working. I need my medicine.
Everybody on this side has passed. Everybody on this side is still alive.
Growing up, you just didn't go to the doctor. With my first pregnancy,
first baby,
I also had my first PAP. They had found some cells, but when I got to Jackson, I didn't have Medicaid anymore. I just prayed and drove home.
It just became a struggle to just go throughout the day. Went to the emergency room and had type 2 diabetes. The cost of insurance for me was $400 a month. If you're making $19,000 a year and just so happen to have your own apartment, maybe a car or something, you have no money left after that.
Wealth, in fact, is what dictates health. If you go down the line, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, mental health, you name it, Blacks have the worst outcomes.
In a society that calls itself the greatest democracy on the face of the earth, the strongest economy, that shouldn't exist. We can't get discouraged and grow weary in good doing, because in due season, we shall reap.